Remote control door display. You can slowly open the door and adjust the opening range of the door. A very cool way of opening and closing the door. It does not pop open at once and restores the damping feeling of opening and closing the door of a real car. Here you can see that our lights have been modified. Warm white driving lights and LED white headlights. You can also see it here. There are also tail lights that use through-type tail lights to restore the tail light effect of the real car. Our lighting restoration is perfect, and the lighting effect is also very beautiful. It's finally here, our sole design. Our power installation retains the engine gearbox structure. Your car will no longer lack the gearbox, 12-cylinder engine and other classic structural designs in the car. Note here, because the gearbox is retained, the gears are adjustable. You can adjust the gear to control the car in different ways. For example, reverse gear, forward gear, neutral gear, etc. Here it is recommended to adjust to neutral when running, to avoid manual shifting. Now our car not only retains the playability of the mechanical structure, but also increases the driving fun of the car. Enrich the playability of this Ferrari. Check out our Ferrari drive below.